Good morning everyone. Last class lo RBD randomized block design lo unnam. Randomized block design lo we are in estimation of variances. Another two-way classification. Estimation of variances. So here mathematical equation of RBD is given by mathematical equation of RBD is given by, you can write Yij equal to mu plus alpha I plus beta j plus Eij, and this is another two-way classification also. Here alpha I equal to mu I dot minus mu, beta j equal to mu dot j minus mu, and Eij is the random error. Eij follows normal distribution 0, variance of E. And also we have a alpha I equal to 0 and beta j equal to 0, and substitute the mathematical equation Yij equal to mu plus alpha I plus beta j plus Eij, then we get the another equation, that is Yij equal to mu plus Eij is the equation 1, and the equation of RBD will become the Yij is equal to mu plus Eij is the equation 1, applying the summation over the j and dividing with the n on the both sides. In this equation we are applying the summation over the j, dividing with the n on both sides. So here 1 by n summation j Yij equal to 1 by n summation j into mu plus 1 by n summation j into Eij. Here we have a formula, this term and also this term, yi dot bar equal to 1 by n into mu, and Ei dot bar n get cancelled. Finally yi dot bar equal to mu plus Ei dot bar. This is the equation 2. In this equation 2, EI dot bar we have. Then consider expectation of EI dot bar equal to 0. ఎందుకు 0 అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ expectation of EI dot bar equal to 0 and expectation of EI dot bar square equal to variance of E by N. ఎందుకంటే EI dot bar EIJ follows the normal distribution 0, variance of E now. Particular in this statement, we are generating the expectation of EI dot bar equal to 0 and expectation of EI dot bar square equal to variance of E by N, and we'll get directly substitute. And next applying the summation over the I. Applying the summation over the I, dividing the K on both sides. To the equation 2. Equation 2 got 1 by K summation I yi dot bar, sorry, equation 1 की equation 1 yij equal to 1 by k summation I mu plus 1 by k summation I and eij. These are the formulas. Here we can write y dot j bar equal to 1 by k into mu plus E dot j bar. Finally, y dot j bar equal to mu plus E dot j bar. The equation 3, we are finding the E dot j bar. Equation 3, and we know that expectation of E dot j bar equal to 0, expectation of E dot j bar whole square is equal to variance of E by k. Variance of E by k, and here also E dot j bar follows the normal distribution 0, variance of E by k. and applying the double summation over the I and j and dividing with the capital N on both sides. Applying the double summation and dividing with the capital N on both sides. So we can write 1 by capital N double summation Yij equal to 1 by capital N double summation mu plus 1 by capital N double summation Eij. These are the formulas. Y bar 1 by n into n mu plus E bar. Finally, y bar equal to mu plus E bar, the equation 4. We have to find out capital E bar. We know that is E bar follows the expectation of E bar equal to 0 and expectation of E bar square is equal to variance of E by capital N. So E bar follows the normal distribution 0, variance of E by capital N. Then estimating of parameter, by the estimation of parameter we get mu equal to y bar. And mu equal to y bar vastundi, then alpha I equal to mu I dot minus mu and beta j equal to mu dot j minus mu, and also expectation of y bar is equal to expectation of mu plus E bar, and expectation of y bar equal to expectation of mu plus expectation of E bar. And expectation of mu is the mu and expectation of E bar is the 0 and expectation of y bar. So finally expectation of y bar is equal to mu. And variance of y bar is equal to expectation of y bar minus expectation of y bar whole square. Then here y bar formula already we know mu plus e bar, and already expectation of y bar is the mu minus mu and whole square, and mu get cancelled. Expectation of e bar square. So expectation of e bar square, and we can write variance of e by capital N is the variance of y bar. Variance of y bar. Consider variance of xi. We know that variance of xi bar minus y bar is the formula yi dot. So, and then also variance of beta dot j. ఇక్కడ మనకు variance of xi value కాదు అది. Consider variance of alpha I dot value. నోట్స్ లో తప్పు ఉంది, కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ xi అని రాసుకున్నారు, అక్కడ xi కాదు, వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా I dot. దట్ మీన్స్ వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ yi dot bar అది. Variance of yi dot bar minus y bar. So we have a formulas yi dot bar and y bar. Then we'll get the variance of ei dot bar minus e bar, and also that is the variance of a minus b. Variance of a minus b, and we can write variance of a plus variance of b minus 2 into covariance of a comma b generate అవుతుంది మనకు. And also covariance of a minus a comma b అనేది 0 గా జనరేట్ అయితే, then we will get the variance of ei dot bar plus variance of e bar. So that is the we have a variance of ei dot bar plus variance of e bar. We have already generating the statements. Then substitute the values, variance of e by small n plus variance of e by capital N, and variance of e అనేది మనకు కామన్ టర్మ్ అవుతుంది, రిమైనింగ్ 1 by n plus 1 by capital N. The variance of alpha I dot is equal to 1 by n plus 1 by capital N, variance of e. Generally అలాగే variance of beta dot j అనేది జనరల్ గా ఏం జనరేట్ అవుతుందంటే 1 by k plus 1 by capital N variance of e జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. This is the term. And also next class లో comparison of RBD with CRD చూద్దాం. అది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ this chapter.